Today I am going to show you how to create image like this using Canva. Go to the Canva, choose custom size, choose this resolution, now go to the upload and choose the image. Now align it like this. Now go to the element, type gradient, go to the graphics and choose this one, increase the size like this. Now go to the text, add text, type cycle, go to the font and choose font and tone, increase the text size like this, set it to top center, like this. Now go to the text color, choose gradient color. Now go to the plus icon and add more white color, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now choose this style and remove this color. Go to the last one color and decrease the transparency of the color, 0. Now go to the second one and decrease transparency of color. Choose third one, decrease approx 50. Now go to the page, duplicate the page, align it. Now go to the page background remover, remove the background. And here is the final result. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.